Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record and stream Zoom meetings with OBS Studio. Whether you are teaching, hosting a webinar, or just want to capture high quality recordings, we've got you covered. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Install and set up OBS Studio. Download OBS Studio from the official website. It is free and compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Install OBS Studio and open the application. Complete the auto configuration wizard to optimize OBS settings for your system. Step 2. Add Zoom as a source. Open your Zoom meeting and ensure the app is running in full screen or windowed mode. In OBS Studio, click the plus icon under the source box. Select Window Capture and name the source. Example, Zoom Meeting. In the next window, choose your Zoom meeting from the list of open windows. Resize and position the Zoom meeting feed in OBS as needed. Step 3. Configure audio and video settings. To capture audio from your Zoom meeting, click the plus icon under the sources box again. Select Audio Output Capture and choose your computer's default audio device. Step 4. Record or stream your meeting. To record your meeting, click Start Recording in OBS Studio. Your recording will be saved to the folder specified in OBS Settings. To stream your meeting, go to Settings, Stream, and link your streaming platform, example YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook. Once configured, click Start Streaming to go live. And that's it. Now you know how to record and stream Zoom meetings with OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.